Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an induction cooktop. This is the Prestige PIC 6.1 V3. It's a 2200 watts. It cost around 4000 rupees, around 3000 in Amazon. Expensive compared to other brands. You can see how to select the vessels from the instruction manual. This is the control panel. When you first turn it on, it will be in standby mode. There's a power button, menu, timer, pause, plus and minus for controlling wattage, time and temperature, child lock, and 6 cooking modes including pressure cook, idli, heat milk, deep fry, etc. Then the dosa chapati mode and whistle counter. First turn on using the power button. First mode is dosa chapati mode. You cannot adjust temperature or time. The setting is fixed. Next one is the pressure cooker whistle counter. You can set the number of whistles. It will count the whistles and automatically turn off. You can set up to 15 whistles. For selecting these 6 modes, you have to use the menu button. The first mode is pressure cooker mode. You can adjust the wattage and you can set the time. Minimum wattage is 100 and maximum wattage is 2200. The minimum time is 1 minute and the maximum time is 2 hours. As soon as you select a mode, the induction will start working. In the second mode, you can also adjust the wattage and time. In the third mode, only wattage can be adjusted, time cannot be adjusted. In the fourth mode, the temperature is fixed at 80, you cannot change anything. In the fifth mode, only time can be adjusted, minimum time is 10 minutes. In the sixth mode, you can adjust temperature and time. Minimum is 80 degrees, maximum is 240 degrees. There's a pause button to pause and resume the functioning. One click to pause and one click to resume. Press and hold the pause or kilowatt hour button to see how much unit it consumed. It used 0.02 units. In the current session, press the positive and negative button together to engage the child lock and press again to disengage it. E0 indicates there is no vessel on the induction cooker. To boil milk, place the vessel on the center of the circle. Choose the mode. I am using pressure cooking mode. When the milk boils, press the pause button and reduce the power to 100. Then resume. Press and hold to know how much current it consumed. 0.04 units. Boiling water. The mode I am using is pressure cooking mode with the 2200 watts. It's going to take 8 minutes. I know it because I did it before. When the timer runs out, they will go to standby mode. It consumed 0.19 units. It's nearly 1/5 of a unit. 1000 watts equal to 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt runs for 1 hour equals 1 unit. 1 unit is 1 kilowatt hour. Thank you for watching my video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.